Hi there. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Venum Elite boxing gloves. These are 12 ounce and they come just in the regular Amazon box. The packaging was in good shape. And when I open it up, the gloves, they didn't have separate boxing or a separate box, but they do come in just a clear plastic. So it looks like they're packaged really well. And I'm going to go ahead and take these out of here, move the box off to the side, and let's open it up and see what they look like. So right out of the box, I like how these feel, and I actually bought these. A friend of mine had a pair of these and recommended them, and I got the blue and white because I like that color, but they come in about 20 different colors, so you've got plenty to choose from. So this does come with some terms and conditions talking about boxing is a high-risk sport, assumptions of risk, gives you warranty information, that sort of thing. So that's attached directly to the glove. So one of the things that I really like about this has a really large area so once you've got your hand in the glove, like this, it gives you a big wide area here, so I can really tighten this down here and I don't have to worry about it slipping, because when you're having impact on the bag, you don't want to have to worry about your glove slipping and getting your hand out of position so you don't hurt yourself. So I'm going to go ahead, put on the other one, glove up, and let's give this a go. So what's great about these gloves is you can get a good solid hit on the bag, and even better is you don't feel the seams inside, so you're not going to get any blistering or issues with your hand. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I will see you on the next one.